Anyways, hi, good morning, good afternoon, goedemiddag. Heading over to Yumbo. To be fair, we're having a wonderful week to start. Today is the 29th. Tomorrow I have therapy because I had to change it over to the very last. And then after that we have a trading post. Sorry. Wasn't necessarily sure what that means. I mean, I'm going to go check the bike. To be fair, it's probably fine. But I was thinking about a long bike today, but then I realized, nah. I'll have one tomorrow. Today is just nice to get out and about. But like, there's no reason to go by the butcher or anything. And that'll be Wednesday. And even I don't know when the trading post opens up. I don't even know if I'm going to buy anything from it. I was hoping for news today or tomorrow about it, because I'd like to know what to plan to buy. To be fair, I should probably go in and make sure that, I did save something. Oh, I saved that Desert Wanderer thing. Because it's possible that I don't really want anything much from the next month, and I'm going to get another 1,000, and that's what that Desert Wanderer thing costs. But this whole week, I haven't been drinking, so my whole backpack is full of plastic bottles. It's nice that it keeps it ventilated in here. Each of the lanes, blows up and in the direction of going. Neither of the bike tires are super flat, but yeah, there are some cars in here that haven't left since we're good. Haven't left since the construction times. They were doing a fair bit of I think they were putting in pipes for the Stutz for farming in here, but that how it be. I would point some of them out, but that would involve license plates, and that's privacy. It's so cute. It's so small. We got Edelvoltus. Voltus? Kind of hard to read. Let me see if I can zoom in real quick. Yeah, that's what that says. Edelvoltus. Adelvoltus, whatever. There's a trainee driving. He's very clunky with the boat, or the ferry. He was having trouble squaring the ferry up. It was so awkward. I was like, is there something wrong with the rudders on the ferry? Are they not, is the ferry not responding very well? But no, whatever. Start pun friederen. It's nice day. Sorry about that. Yeah, KNSM Island over there. Band of clouds up there. My brain says that looks like the Nexus ribbon. from Star Trek Generations. Some changes in the winds. Don't know how much more to say considering a lot's up in the air, but Aaron and I are thinking about making some moves, but like Rubik's Cube moves. Like we're fine, but we need to, we're gonna realign some things, I guess. Steak and cheese sandwich that comes out of that thing. Oh, this beers, and I swear to God, it just smells so great going by there. I have like 8 minutes-ish before I have to get to the ferry, and it's even a little delayed on top of that because the stagiaire. But cute puppies. But yeah. Kids are throwing rocks for the birds. We're good. Okay. The whale. Oh, what nice trees. Baron Dinderplein. But yeah, it's a nice day. Also, there was a young couple in front of me. I did not recognize the language. It was definitively Slavic, but they were having a lot of trouble arguing about about what food to get, but they also turned in enough bottles. They turned in enough to get 15 euros, which is a lot, considering the most expensive bottle to return is 25 cents. Like they had multiple bags, but afterwards they had like baby wipes with them to clean off their hands. And after the baby wipes, the girl proceeded to, I have been smoking for 59 million years, 3 packs a day, cough. Like right into her hand. Didn't even clean that, and then decided she was going to start fondling produce. And I'm like, this is so gross. Yeah, see, Ferries here. Down the middle of the pathway. It's just that easy. Just that easy.